In human history, there are stories so incomprehensible they seem impossible to believe. Yet, this is one of them. A story of survival, resilience, and the haunting scars of war. This is a story of a teenager who survived not one, but two atomic bombings. His name was Tsutomu Yamaguchi. Born in 1916 in Nagasaki, Japan, Yamaguchi was an ordinary man with an extraordinary fate. In August 1945, the world was engulfed in the final days of the Second World War. Japan was facing an unimaginable threat, the arrival of atomic warfare. On August 6, 1945, Tsutomu was in Hiroshima for work. At 8:15 a.m., the sky lit up with a blinding light. The world shook. The first atomic bomb, dropped by the United States, detonated above the city. An explosion so powerful it destroyed nearly everything within 2 miles. Yamaguchi was badly injured. His left ear was permanently damaged, his body burned, but he survived. Against all odds, he returned to Nagasaki the very next day. 3 days later, on August 9, 1945, another catastrophic explosion occurred, this time over Nagasaki. Tsutomu was back in his hometown, barely recovering. The second bomb detonated. Once again, Yamaguchi was caught in the blast. Incredibly, he survived again, twice a victim of nuclear devastation, twice spared death by an act of fate so improbable it defies belief. Yamaguchi lived the rest of his life, carrying the scars, physical and emotional. He became a symbol of peace and a vocal advocate against nuclear weapons. He told his story so the horrors of atomic warfare would never be forgotten. In 2009, Tsutomu Yamaguchi was officially recognized by the Japanese government as a survivor of both bombings, the only person to receive such recognition. He passed away in 2010 at the age of 93. His story is a haunting reminder of war's ultimate cost, and a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. This is more than a story of survival. It is a warning, a plea for peace, so that no teenager, no human, ever endures such devastation again. The world remembers Tsutomu Yamaguchi, the man who survived twice, so the rest of us would not have to.